Hello comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musings. This fella's your host, Bill Miller. Alright, I'm very excited because we have a mystery unboxing. These are some auction comics I got many months ago. I'm finally going to crack open the box to see what lies within. Here is the box. I know we have slabs, maybe raw, I'm not sure, but it'll probably be 2 or 3 videos in the interest of time. But we're going to use our trusty box cutter made for right-handers. I just changed the blade, so I'm very excited about that. Plenty. Some packing peanuts. And let's see. Envelopes with what I presume are slabbies. All right, so we will do, looks to be it. Yes, that is it. We will do maybe 3 videos. So maybe 4, I don't know. We'll see how long it takes, but let's shoot for 3. And here, the first one, we'll open this rascal up. I suspect these are from Comic Link. I don't know that. I will try to open them so that you get to see them before I do. All right, the back of them is to me. Put them over here, and here is the first one. Boom. Oh boy! Fantastic. We certainly collect Moon Knight, and this is one that we needed. So I'm very excited about that. This is Moon Knight number 5, Marvel Comics, March of 1981. Doug Mensch, story, Bill Sienkiewicz and Klaus Janson art, Bill Sienkiewicz cover. This is a CGC 9.6 with white pages. On the back, we have the 132 Roman soldiers. So Moon Knight number 5, 9.6. All right, next one. And here we go. Boom. Oh boy! We collect Kull as well. And this is one that we need. Better from over here. Where can I get rid of that nasty glare? If I took it out of this darn plastic case, it'd be gone. We've got Kull the Conqueror number 3, Marvel Comics, July of 1972. Roy Thomas story, Marie and John Severin art, John Severin cover. This is a CGC 9.2 with white pages. Now on the back we have a coupon to LaSalle Extension University. I don't know where these are from. Maybe Comic Connect. All right, Kull the Conqueror number 3. next one. All right. Boom. Oh boy. We'll take it. Fantastic. This is Conan the Barbarian number 100, Marvel Comics, July of 1979. Adapted from the Robert E. Howard story, Queen of the Black Coast, Death of Bêlit. Roy Thomas story, John Buscema and Ernie Chan, cover and art. This is a CGC 9.6 with white pages. So I'm collecting Conan 1 through 40. But this is number 100, you say. Maybe here and there a couple of key Conan issues, and this would be one of them with the Death of Bêlit. So that's why this one's a keeper. And on the back, we have cash and prizes if you join the Sales Leadership Club. So Conan the Barbarian, issue number 100. Here we go. Boom. Oh boy. Just look at that one. Absolutely love it. Fantastic. This is Baffling Mysteries number 6, Ace Periodicals, January of 1952. Mike Sikowski and Jim McLaughlin art. This is a CGC 3.0 with off-white pages. And it says, look, Paul, the figure on the ancient tablet. No such fantastic creature ever existed. And there's the creature on the tablet. But much to her surprise, there's the creature right behind them. And on the back is a advertisement for a spot reducer. Take off excess weight. All right, so Baffling Mysteries, issue number 6. And that will do it for the auction comics that we have for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing them. And if you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and click that notification bell. That way you're alerted as soon as I release new videos. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. And remember, we're taking over the world one comic book at a time.